Smashburger. So which one did you want?
Try them all.
We're going to try them all. We're going to start with 3. A French one made with ground duck, some brie, and a baguette. An Italian one with Nona's meatballs and some fresh mozzarella with a marinara sauce. And a Lebanese/Middle Eastern one with some kofta and some garlic sauce. No, I'm starving. I can't wait to get into this one.
Good duck. We're gonna. Okay.
All right. The mix of the smells of all 3
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I think 2's good.
It's good.
It'll be a nice one.
Okay. And do I go with the cheese right after?
Yes, sir.
That's a lot of cheese. Okay.
Yeah, got the nice marinara and now the cheese.
Yeah, so garlic sauce.
So typical Lebanese garlic sauce. Do we double it up?
No,
it's pretty potent.
It's pretty potent.
It's good enough. Good idea.
We're just getting fussy.
Oh, it's a great idea.
And then
Now we got a meat patty.
and a meat patty. And we've got a second Afghan one. There we go.
Oh, man.
And then we mentioned it's a cheese called aioli, which is it's similar to halloumi. What would you say? It was probably a little bit milder?
Yeah, a little bit milder.
A little bit milder.
But I find it had a brininess to it.
Kofta.
Kofta.
Yep.
Nothing fucking wrong with that.
Nope, not at all.
Holy shit. I'll dress
So
up
we're
the next
just
one.
going to do
Next one is, the Italian Nona. Oh! Go get some fresh basil from my garden. Just rip a few leaves out.
You, again, just want to hog all the camera time.
I'm not even on camera, dude. I'm dressing burgers. Nice and natural from the rain.
2, 3, good enough. It's 4th
One more.
One, of course. Okay, there we go.
Should I go get black truffle? No, that's a little bit bad.
You gently folded it in there. Well, you know this can't be bad, this one.
No, and I'm the only thing I'm worried about is I didn't put enough marinara sauce, but
Does this one an 11?
this is an 11 on 10. Now let's
Thinking.
do for the French.
Okay, so the French.
I don't know.
Very soft. That's really good.
That's a good smash burger. How did we come up with the smash burgers?
I don't know. I think we were looking at what's popular.
Yeah, everyone's done smash
We
burgers.
got Smashburgers.
Everyone knows.
And we started thinking, with Wine International and
Yeah, actually, now I'm starting to remember. It's that Afghan bread.
Well, we had
that
that-
kicked your idea first, and then from there we started digging into the smash burgers. But yeah, that Afghan bread with the pork and sumac was so damn good.
Right, but didn't you try a regular Smashburger with the Afghan bread and it was like, just the.
Fantastic. I even have a short on it. Delicious.
Can we do this different? What could we like? I started thinking, hey, simple. Where you get the Afghan bread, you go to these Middle Eastern grocery stores.
Yeah.
And most of them will have something called kafka. It's pronounced different ways. It's spelled different ways, but it's the same thing. Ground up meat with usually herbs, spices. Fantastic.
Yes, delicious.
Usually they make them in kebabs.
Yeah.
We thought that might work as a smash burger.
Yeah.
They also sell this garlic sauce that's already made. The bread's already made. So it's almost, you could slap this together if you've got the cast iron pan or a appliance shop in 5 minutes.
Yeah, so summary for this one is Afghan bread, smashed kafka patty, tomato, garlic sauce, and that cheese.
What's that cheese? Aioli. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It looks like halloumi cheese. It's similar to halloumi cheese, maybe a little bit more briny, like you said.
Yeah.
But why I got it, it actually comes in a nice round. They were able to cut a nice round slice from it, and it fits perfectly in the patty.
Yeah. And so the second one, essentially known as meatball, veal, pork, beef, Italian spices, in a pizza dough bun with fresh mozzarella, basil, and marinara sauce.
Should we get the lobster bibs almost for this part?
Let's see.
Oh, we never mentioned the duck one.
Yeah, so the duck one, ground up 2 duck breasts with the fat, with the skin, salt, pepper, fresh garlic, and we smashed the the duck patties down, and we doubled it up on this one because they were nice and thin. And brie. That's it. Brie cheese, ground duck,
On the baguette.
2 layers on a baguette.
Because, it's French. So
Why not?
what could be more French than a baguette?
Here.
Okay, thank you. That's the duck. That's the Italian Nona meatball. Oh, we didn't cut the Afghan.
No, I'll cut it out. Space.
All I do is eat here and drink. I don't have
No,
to
you do way more than that.
Oh, you're getting yourself guided by the natural undulations there on that bread.
Okay, I gotta say, I'm excited with this one. Honestly,
This is the one. I'm thinking the duck first, the Kafka second, and the Nona one probably last. I
Yeah.
think the sauce,
the sauce we'll save it.
sauce and the garlic in the
I think so too.
probably gonna be. Although I'm most worried about the Kafka. Unlike France and Italy, where a lot of their food is designed around their wine, Middle East is not easily flowing with tons of wine. Although Lebanon actually makes some really good wine.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, 100%. I've had some Lebanese wine. They're
yeah.
fantastic.
But I think the spices might be weird, may not work, but that's why we're here.
Right now, I'm going for the duck first.
You're doing
The
the
baguette, yeah, the baguette scares me. I think it might get. We waited a bit long, although.
Oh, it's very soft. Very soft.
As simple as that gets,
That's really good.
that's a good Smashburger. Holy moly. I know what's great is that the brie is basically, it's not adding that much in terms of flavor, but it's kind of helping focus on the duck. And it's
Nice.
definitely binding everything together.
I'm going with the mustard. Not really good. The brie melted like that with the duck fat. I don't know. It's like, is it buttery? That's no other way to say it.
Yeah,
the way to say it.
Yeah, and we actually didn't use butter, but we could have. Oh, it's fantastic. Want to try it with mustard?
Adds a little zippiness.
This is fucking delicious.
Okay.
It's gorgeous.
So we're doing the kef.
Kef.
Kefka?
Kefta.
Kefka?
Nothing fucking wrong with that.
No, not at all.
Holy shit. Good call on the tomato. I think without the tomato brings a hint of acidity, which I think is needed. Yeah, wow.
Matt.
Oh, this is so good. Yeah, wow. Yeah, I like garlic aioli, the little garlic sauce.
And it's so simple. Like
Huh?
the Afghan bread. I mean, yeah, I went all nerdy and cut it into almost a perfect circle, but
So what?
so what? You can
Cut in squares if you have to.
Yeah.
This is the easiest one to make, I think.
20 minutes. Faster than you can cook a frozen pizza or a frozen lasagna.
Yeah. Actually, there was more work with the frozen lasagna to make it good. Yeah, this is
And it still wasn't good.
I'm telling you, both so far are 10 on 10s. The duck's a 10 on 10, and this one's a 10 on 10. Spectacular. Now, we have Nona's Smashburger. I don't know if this comes up. Check that out. It's just beautiful. With fresh mozzarella.
Buffalo mozzarella and well, you know this can't be bad, this one.
No, and I'm the only thing I'm worried about is I didn't put enough marinara sauce, but I didn't use a bit of salt.
So is this one an 11?
This is an 11 on 10.
That's really good. And that's pretty simple too. Like most grocery stores, you'll go and buy the meatball mixture. And they'll have a pack that has a ball of pork, a ball of beef, and a ball of veal.
And these days, I've even seen where you have the meatballs already shaped and vacuum packed, where take those meatballs, smash them. I wanted to put like sliced truffles on this. Like you can use burrata, you could use just even regular pizza mozzarella is going to be delicious with this.
No,
You can make this as simple as you want it or as luxurious as you want it. Yeah, so Calzone works with, pretty much everything, but I have to say that Nebbiolo, if you're having burgers, pretty good. You afraid?
Yeah, and some of these, and the other thing of the Nebbiolo versus the Barolo, you're probably hard pressed to find anything under.
The cheapest one now, the new one.
There's some
The new ones are 28, 29. There's some new ones that are cheaper, but it's not the same as getting a traditional old Barolo.
Whereas some of these Nebbiolos you can start finding those in high teens.
Okay. That's cool.
Like this was, I think, 21.
Enjoyed it very much.
Very nice.
Yeah, very much. Yeah, so we also have a Patreon page, by the way. Check it out. Links in the description. And we just share basically stuff that we can't share on YouTube or we're just starting, so bear with us. Cheers.
This was good.
That was fucking amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah.